Hi guys, more RC here, back again with another video on taking off the back wheel from a Xiaomi Pro 365 Xiaomi 365 Pro. Yeah, it's just a quick video of taking off the back wheel. Yes, right. So you take off this little red piece here. You can reuse it, so just be careful how you're taking it off. You see, yeah. And then you take off this side as well. Put it down there. Alright, so you got the two red pieces off. Now you need a Allen key in order to take off the screws inside here. So what I use is a Allen key H2.5. Screw that out, slacken up the other one. Oops. Set that outside. Take that off. Same thing on the other side. Yep, that's the other side. Okay, so you got both sides off now. Oh, okay, and it's an Allen key to take off the back part. Is it this one? Yep. This is a 5x32 Allen key. It's to take off the back wheel. That was easy. Take out this bolt. Set that aside. Take out the other bolt. Set that aside as well. And yeah, back wheel is off. Okay. So I'm gonna do a quick video on taking off the wheel as well. Wow, it's really hard. All right. Get this. And this. Okay, I'm gonna use these two to take it off. Sorry for the lack of tools. Yep, this one. Put that in there. Get that. Yep. And I use another one over here. Give it a little slack. I'm gonna come a little bit closer. Go over here a bit. Yep. Yep. Yes. Yeah.
Are you switching your head? What's that?
Okay. And it's off. Was a little struggle, but it's off now. All right. Gonna give me a sec. I'm gonna show you how to put on the tubeless. What I do is I boil some hot water in the kettle and pour it in a bucket. Put the tubeless in the bucket as well. Put the tubeless, leave it get a little heat, and it makes it much easier to go onto the back wheel. Yeah. So bear with me a couple. Alright guys, well, I'm inside my house at the moment. Although I'm boiling the water in the kettle, I'm gonna put it in this tub with the tubeless tire, give it some heat. It's finished. There we go. Yep. Leave it staying there for like about 5 minutes.
Alright guys, I think that was about 5 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna attempt to put it back on the rim. Yeah, might be a little tough job, but yeah, it's all homework.
I'm gonna shift it about now. See, it's on. I'm gonna straighten it up now, and that should be it. And look at that, ready to go, the right direction. Yeah, I'm gonna put it back together quick, leave you guys. Sorry for all the mess. Yeah, put it back on, sorted. Put these back in. Put this one back in as well. tool. Don't know what I did with it. It's right here. Let's put this back on. Put this one, screw this back in. Okay, whoops. Okay. Yep, that's back in. Yep, it's back on. Look at that, spinning freely. No wobs, nothing. Alright, so this go back. Yep, this go back on here. Screw that back in. Screw this back in. So, yep. One in. And same thing with the other side. Yep, and now, yep, and now you put back on the red pieces. What I told you, you could hold them, could reuse them. Put that back in there. The other one back on the other side. And it's done, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps some of you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Yeah, on one of my earlier videos I did the front wheel. I put the tubeless on as well. Hope you guys could see it, but yeah. And now it's the back wheel, and that's all done. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoy.